Bayer has a long legacy in the cotton business because we are understanding what our customers need and help to address those needs. We currently offer the #1 cotton seed and trait platform in the US and Australia, and we also have a growing presence in Brazil. We've built our market position over decades of innovation, transforming cotton production with high-performing germplasm, insect resistance, and herbicide-tolerant traits. And we have several next-generation traits in the pipeline, all of which will help advance sustainable cotton production. Today, we're standing in front of two of our newest technologies in our cotton pipeline, which just advanced to phase 3 in our R&D portfolio. So weed control is very important. Currently, the industry-leading technology for cotton growers is our XtendFlex technology, which provides tolerance to dicamba, glufosinate, and glyphosate. It provides ultimate flexibility and options for growers when it comes to weed control. But we're going to add HT4 on top of that. HT4 brings two new modes of action to the cotton industry, meaning HPB and PPO, to bring the first 5-way herbicide tolerance trait to the marketplace. The crop here on my right is our HT4 tolerant trial. And what we're looking at in this trial is actually the herbicide tolerance of the trait. So what we do is we take 4 rows of the HT tolerant trait, spray it with a herbicide, and then take 4 rows of the non-traded version of it and see what happens. The HT tolerant trait looks great, and as you can see by the pictures, that the susceptible or the control plot is almost dead. And we have all 5 modes of action out here. So in summary, when we look at our cotton portfolio, we have our HT4 technologies, along with our elite germplasm. On top of that, we'll have our climate field view. So we'll be able to give growers an ultimate digital recommendation for his farm, ultimately leading to more profit for him and leaving Bayer as an industry leader in the cotton area. Bayer's innovation in germplasm and traits will continue to reduce the cotton's environmental footprint, and these innovations will help us increase productivity well into the future.